If you're getting ready to enroll in Medicare and are considering a Medicare Advantage plan, this is something you need to understand. Whoever's talking to you about your enrollment is probably going to tell you about something called a trial right with Medicare Advantage. And what it means is that when you are first eligible for Medicare at 65, during your initial enrollment period, if you elect to take a Medicare Advantage plan, which means you've never been in original Medicare, you have the opportunity in the first 12 months in that Medicare Advantage plan to switch to original Medicare and get a Medicare supplement policy without any health questions being asked. But here is where this is a very important thing to understand. This rule does not apply to everybody. So if you start Medicare based on a special enrollment period, so in other words, you didn't take it at 65 because you're still working and you have group health coverage, you do not have a trial right. So if you start with Medicare Advantage and you do not like it, it's the next year during the Medicare AEP in the fall that you will be able to make a change to original Medicare, but the concern is, will you be able to qualify to get a Medicare supplement policy? Most states require that you go through underwriting. So when you're talking to somebody, make sure that they are making the distinction for you between an IEP enrollment or a SEP enrollment. Now, there is one other scenario where you do get this trial right with Medicare Advantage. And that is if you're somebody that's been in original Medicare for some time, never been in Medicare Advantage, even the person who enrolled in original Medicare during SEP. And now they're seeing commercials and they're like, I want to try Medicare Advantage. That is when they earn a trial right to try it for the 12 months and go back to where they were at if they decide they don't like it. So why is there this group in the middle, this group from the special enrollment period where they come off of work and they don't get that trial right? I don't know, but that is the way the rule works. And you have to make sure that whatever agent or whatever source you're using for help is aware of the distinction between the IEP enrollment and the SEP enrollment. And the reason this is so important again is with Medicare Part B, when you sign up, if you go to original Medicare, you have a 6-month window where you can get a Medicare supplement, no health questions asked. But in most states, after that 6-month window, if you want to get a policy or you want to switch plans, you are going to be medically underwritten, and as a result, may not be able to get a policy. So know that distinction, and that's all I got.